Hey everybody, this is Restrepo, and today it is the day for the Kelvin Knot. Okay, so how do we tie this one? This one is basically the same as the other ones. So you're gonna have your long piece, the fat piece this way. Remember the last time when we were doing the simple knot, we were going on the reverse side. Well, this one we're going back to traditional way. And so we're gonna grab the short knot, and then it's gonna depend entirely on your neck. So you're the one that's gotta do this. I tend to go 1, 2, and then that's basically it, right? Now, it's basically a loop-de-loop, right? So you're going to cross them over and then go under and around, but you're gonna hold that because you need the loop. Then you're gonna go under again, right? And you're gonna go around, and then this time, instead of going one more loop, you're gonna go under, and then you're gonna go through. Now, remember, same rules apply. We're gonna tighten it up so that it has a bit of a dimple. Then we're gonna push it through. Okay, and then what you're gonna end up seeing is at the bottom, you now have one over the other. Okay, pull it together, pull it up, should be able to pull it through, go towards the back, and my pants are a bit sagging a little bit right now, but as you can see, it's a little bit of ways. Pretty good. Again, everybody's gonna be different. So after that, you just pull this down, voila. That's pretty much it for the Kelvin knot. You end up seeing it looks pretty sharp. Once again, I'll do a little bit of a close-up and you can see it right then and there. It's a really good knot. When you got these different types of knots, some of them are gonna just look really nice. Some of them are more functional. But the great thing about having these different knots is that sometimes people are gonna notice them, a lot of times they won't. When they do, they notice that you are about style. You know the different things. It also helps when you're wearing the same ties over and over again, can you wear them differently? So that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. This is Restrepo signing off, so keep watching.